What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related. And in the beauty aspect of today, guys, I'm gonna be unboxing my PR product. As you can see with me here, I have a box called Ajoke Lodge. Ajoke Lodge is a beauty brand. They deal with beauty products and like accessories, jewelries, earrings, and guys, the most amazing thing about this brand is that they're very affordable. Okay, so I'll be unboxing what they sent to me, guys. I was so impatient that for my birthday party I used their foundation, but aside from that, every other thing is still intact. And I can just tell you, even before I get into using these products, I will never review a thing on this channel that I don't like, that I've not tried and tested. Okay, guys, so this is their brand, this is the logo, Ajoke Lodge. You can see that, yeah, that's the Ajoke Lodge, and I'll just unbox it and show you guys everything that was sent to me in this box. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel because we create content around this type of things. Okay, so I have opened it. Everything was well packed, and I'll just be showing you one item after the other. In the description, I will leave the link to their website in the description. They ship everywhere, guys, and they are so affordable. So Ajoke Lodge has an eyelash brand, and if you like glam lashes, I want you to just look at the packaging. It's very nice. Okay, so let's check what this is. Ajoke Lodge. I decided to make the unboxing a separate video so that we can see all the items, and in my next item I'll be creating a look using all of these things. Wow, this is amazing, guys. I have glitters, but most of them are either very fine. This one is not too fine, and see, it comes like this. It's so pigmented, like everywhere is really looking messed up. It's so pigmented and it's easy to apply. None of my glitters have this coverage. It's so pigmented. So let's go further. I've shown the eyelash, I've shown this glitter. All these things were sent to me, guys. I've not tried all these other things. Okay, so this is their lip gloss. This is a lip gloss, Ajoke lip gloss. I'm doing this video in the night, so I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but this is Ajoke lip gloss. We'll just try it up. We'll try it on together. I don't have any applicator here, so I'll just put it on my hand since I have lipstick on my lips already. And actually, I would have really loved my lips to be glossy. It feels so smooth. Oh my god, thank you so much, Ajoke. This is a plus to my makeup products, to my makeup room. This is another, let me see this one. I don't know. Okay, this is their lipstick. Unfortunately, I'll not be trying this one because I have lipstick already, but I really love this color, guys. This will be a game changer for me. I really love this color. Let's go to the next product so that we don't take so much time. I think this should be another glitter because the glitter came out from this. Yeah, that's okay. Did you send me two? I think she sent me two colors. Oh yeah, they are not the same. This one is very fine. I now get the difference. This one is extremely fine glitter. It's like the one I have, but the colors are different. Can you see that? The colors are different. Okay, let's go to the next. Let's go to the next item, guys. Everything is coming out Oh yeah, sorry. Everything is coming out from this box, okay? So this, I'm taking this out and it says it's a price highlighter. It's kind of like a, let me try it. The highlighter is so pigmented. Can you see that? I don't want to mess it up, guys. I can't wait to create a look using all these things. Oh my god, it's going to be so amazing. And this is their eyeshadow base. You know, before applying this, you apply these, guys. These products, they are so affordable. That's a good thing about it, and this will be a game changer for me. Remember, you can use my code for 10% discount. Let's go further. I don't want to take, my god, she sent me, this is the first time I'm having a PR product, and I'm getting so many products. This is another lipstick. Let me just see that. Oh yeah, I love this color. This is another lipstick, guys. We will be dealing with all these things later on in another video, but for now, just watch to see some of the things you can order on Ajoke Lodge. Ajoke Lodge is one of us. It's not like this and eye pencil. This is one of us. It's a Nigerian brand that is based in Ireland, and guys, you can get, let's support our own. I mean, like, I was just so happy when she told me she's Abigail. It's not like I'm not being biased or anything. Okay, this is a foundation tester. This is a foundation tester, even though she sent me the foundation as well. She sent me a fairer foundation, but this is just a tester for the darker one. In case it's not my color, she said I can mix it up. So this is the clear lip gloss. Am I correct? Yeah, that's the clear lip gloss. And oh my god, she even sent me a spoolie brush, guys. Oh my god, are you not excited? I'm so excited about this brand. I'm just loving everything. I can't wait to just put all these things on my face. What's this? Ajoke Lodge. Let's find out what's in here. Sorry, I'm using my front camera, so it's a little bit difficult to read the. Is this a concealer or lipstick? Okay, this is a concealer, guys. This is a concealer. They have concealer. They have everything that has to do with face makeup. They have jewelries. They have, you can see, yeah, they have amazing jewelries, guys. Please get to Ajoke Lodge for your beautiful run. We are taking it one step at a time. They gave me tweezers. Oh my god, these are tweezers for eyelashes. I started with the eyelashes. This is the transparent lip gloss. So many things. Oof, I'm even falling off. Sorry about that. Okay. No, wait, this is the description. Alright, Ajoke Lodge sent me an eyeshadow palette, you all. Look at that. Look at this packaging. Oh my god. Just, guys, look at that. Wow. And it came out like this. Let's see the colors. Are you ready? Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. You can now open them. Oh my god, guys, if you're a makeup artist and you don't have this palette, I don't know what else you're gonna have in your life. Oh my god, I think that's it. But like, look at the mirror. You don't even need to stress. I usually stress when I'm doing my makeup. I have to be taking my, I'll just This is amazing, guys. This other, and when you go to their website, you discover that everything is so affordable, so affordable. Order these products and create magic. I took a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sending me this product, guys. Use my link. Make your lady to get smashes. Okay, let's go. I want to correct my lips because the lips I have, they're already looking all messed up. Okay, let me do that off camera for now. I'm going to see you in my next video. Click on that link, guys. Click on that link. Okay, bye bye.